Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese nachos in an air fryer. First, gather your ingredients like tortilla chips, about 1 cup of shredded cheese, and any desired toppings. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Then, arrange a single layer of tortilla chips in the air fryer basket or on a parchment liner. This ensures even cooking and perfect crispiness for your delicious snack. Now, let's get cheesy. Evenly sprinkle about 1/2 cup of your favorite shredded cheese over the tortilla chips. If you're adding any heat-resistant toppings, such as cooked ground beef, seasoned chicken, or black beans, now is the time to add them. Place the basket back into the air fryer and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. Once the cheese is melted, carefully remove the air fryer basket. This is the perfect moment to add any fresh, cold toppings you love, such as sliced jalapenos, diced tomatoes, or a dollop of fresh salsa. If you prefer your nachos extra crispy, you can return them to the air fryer for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Just be sure not to overcook them, keeping that cheese perfectly gooey. Your easy air fryer nachos are now ready to enjoy. Carefully transfer the hot, cheesy nachos to a serving plate. For an extra burst of flavor, garnish them with a dollop of sour cream, a scoop of fresh guacamole, or a sprinkle of chopped cilantro. Serve your delicious creation immediately to savor the perfect combination of crispy chips and gooey cheese. Enjoy your quick and simple homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.